Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable split screen option in your Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open the settings option, and here it is a display option. Just come on display, swipe down, you can see swipe up to split screen. When you enable it and press back, this how I show you how it works on Motorola smartphones. If you have open any of one app, and if you want to split screen by this app and another app, like I show you YouTube and Google Play, first you have to left to right swipe and right to left swipe. I show you. First you have to take finger left to right, right to left, and friends you can see I show you twice. And friends you can see the Google Play and settings are now in the same, you can see. And if you want to just do and you can change also, like upside down, and you can just do these settings also like this. If you want to change the one app, you can just simply swipe up or swipe down. You can simply go back. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.